Hello everyone, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, May 28th, 2025, we're breaking down Microsoft stock, examining recent news, and analyzing the charts. First, let's cover the headlines. Analysts at TD Cowen raised their price target to $540, citing the Azure AI boom, and Jefferies named Microsoft their top AI pick after the Build 2025 conference. However, remember that several executives have recently sold shares near the 52-week high, perhaps taking profits. Builder.ai, an AI startup backed by Microsoft, has filed for bankruptcy, but Microsoft also launched its first cloud region in Indonesia. Now, let's jump into the charts and see how this news translates to price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can see Microsoft has been on an uptrend for quite some time. We see the price traded at $460.09 this Tuesday, May 27th, increasing $8.98 or 1.99% since the previous trading session. However, more recently the price has been fluctuating. There was a large price spike, where the low was $344.79 in October of 2024, and a high of $468.35 near December 2024, then the price retracted substantially. Then the stock recovered and is now trading near its peak again. Let's zoom in to examine it more closely. Focusing on the daily chart from December 2024 onward, we see a high of around $452, followed by a recent pullback towards the $425 level around March 2025. Since then, Microsoft has recovered and is now trading at $460 after breaking the $452 price. We can also see that volume was high the past several months, so the $460 price has significant support. The daily chart shows bullish momentum, but we'll need to see if it can hold above $460. The high trading volume suggests the price has potential to trade higher. However, the selling from executives could be an indication that we're near the top of the short term. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look. On the 1-hour chart, we see increased volatility and some choppiness. The price hit a high of $459 before coming back down. The news regarding the AI boom likely fueled the rise, and we could see further upside if the positive sentiment continues. However, if the overall market corrects, the heavy trading volume suggests there may be a significant price correction. On the hourly chart, the next level of resistance sits at $468, the previous 52-week high. The next support line is at $452, the more recent resistance line. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can get an even closer look at intraday movements. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see the price had a sharp decline, followed by a rise back up near the same price. This level would indicate a resistance area. However, with the AI boom expected to continue, it's likely the price will push through this resistance soon, unless market conditions change. Therefore, a key level to watch is $452. If Microsoft holds above this level, it will reinforce the bullish narrative. In summary, monitor Microsoft closely and trade accordingly. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.